Welcome to a new video from the Color Vistas brand. In this video, we'll tackle an issue sublimation printer owners might face at some point. How to unclog a sublimation printer. Whether your prints are fading, lines are missing, or your colors aren't as vibrant as they should be, a clogged printhead could be the problem. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps to fix it and get your printer working again. Let's get started. Why do sublimation printers get clogged? Before diving into the solutions, let's quickly understand why sublimation printers get clogged in the first place. Sublimation printers use specialized dye-based ink that can dry out if left unused for extended periods. When the ink dries inside the printhead, it blocks the tiny nozzles responsible for delivering ink onto the paper. As a result, prints become blurry, incomplete, or lose their vibrant color. Let's discuss. Signs your printer is clogged. Here are some common signs that your sublimation printer might be clogged. Missing colors. If one or more colors are not showing up on your prints, this could indicate a partial or full clog. Streaks or lines in prints. Lines or streaks running through your prints are another sign of a clogged printhead. Faded or dull prints. If your prints are dull or faded despite having full ink cartridges, a clogged printhead is likely the culprit. Uneven prints. Blotchy or uneven prints with missing spots could also point to clogging issues. So, let's discuss the steps you need to take. Step 1. Run a printhead cleaning cycle. The first step to unclogging your sublimation printer is to use the built-in printhead cleaning feature. Most sublimation printers have an automatic cleaning cycle that can help dislodge dried ink from the nozzles. Access printer settings. Go into your printer settings menu and look for the option to run a printhead cleaning cycle. This is usually under the Maintenance or Tools section. Run the cycle. Once you select the cleaning cycle, the printer will flush the nozzles with a small amount of ink to help clear any clogs. Print a test page. After the cleaning cycle is complete, print a test page to check if the issue is resolved. If the prints are still not clear, you may need to run the cleaning cycle a couple more times. Step 2. Use a printer cleaning solution. If running the cleaning cycle didn't solve the issue, you might need to use a printer cleaning solution. This method is more intensive and involves manually flushing the ink system. Gather your supplies. You'll need a cleaning solution specifically designed for inkjet printers, a syringe with a tube, and a lint-free cloth. Remove the ink cartridges. Power off your printer and remove the ink cartridges to access the printhead. Be sure to store the cartridges properly if you plan to reuse them. Inject cleaning solution. Fill the syringe with cleaning solution and carefully inject it into the ink nozzle. This helps to dissolve dried ink and unclog the nozzles. Let it soak. After injecting the solution, let the printhead sit for about 10-15 minutes to allow the cleaning solution to break down any blockages. Run another cleaning cycle. Once the soaking time is complete, reinstall the ink cartridges and run another printhead cleaning cycle to flush out any remaining dried ink. Step 3. Manual printhead cleaning. For more stubborn clogs, manual cleaning of the printhead might be necessary. Remove the printhead, if possible. If your printer allows you to remove the printhead, carefully take it out. Be sure to follow your printer's manual for instructions on safely removing the printhead. Soak the printhead. Place the printhead in a shallow dish of printer cleaning solution. Let it soak for about 15 to 20 minutes to dissolve the dried ink. Pat. Dry. After soaking, gently pat the printhead dry with a lint-free cloth. Make sure it's completely dry before reinstalling it in the printer. Reinstall and test. Once the printhead is clean and dry, reinstall it in the printer, run a cleaning cycle, and print a test page. Step 4. Use a cleaning cartridge. Another effective method for unclogging a sublimation printer is using a cleaning cartridge. These cartridges are filled with cleaning fluid instead of ink and can be installed in place of your regular cartridges. Install the cleaning cartridges. Replace the sublimation ink cartridges with cleaning cartridges. Run a cleaning cycle. With the cleaning cartridges installed, run a printhead cleaning cycle to flush the system with cleaning fluid. Switch back to ink. After running the cleaning cycle, remove the cleaning cartridges and reinstall your sublimation ink cartridges. Run another test print to check the results. What about preventing clogs in the future? Now that your printer is unclogged, let's talk about how to prevent clogs from happening again. Print regularly. One of the easiest ways to prevent clogs is to use your printer regularly. Even printing a small test page once a week can help keep the nozzles clear and prevent ink from drying up. Keep ink cartridges full. Low ink levels can cause air to enter the ink lines, leading to clogs. Make sure your ink cartridges are always sufficiently filled. Store your printer properly. If you don't plan to use your printer for an extended period, store it in a cool, dry place and consider using a cleaning solution to flush out the ink before storage. Now, for troubleshooting common issues. If your printer is still experiencing problems after cleaning, here are a few troubleshooting tips. Multiple cleaning cycles. In some cases, it may take several cleaning cycles to fully unclog the printhead. Don't be afraid to run additional cycles if needed. Replace the printhead. If cleaning methods don't work, the printhead may be permanently damaged and might need to be replaced. Check for firmware updates. Some printers have firmware updates that improve printhead performance or cleaning efficiency. Check the manufacturer's website for any updates. Great! Now, it's time for final thoughts. Dealing with a clogged sublimation printer can be frustrating, but with the right cleaning methods, you can restore your printer's performance. Whether it's running cleaning cycles, using cleaning solution, or manually cleaning the printhead, these steps will help you fix clogs and get back to printing vibrant, high-quality designs. Thanks for watching this video. I hope these tips help you unclog your sublimation printer and keep it running smoothly. Check the links in the description for recommended sublimation products where applicable, and visit my website for more sublimation guides and resources. See link in the description. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.